This is a quick video to show you how to get a jammed power jack out of the plug for your iPhone. What happens usually with cheaper plugs, aftermarket ones that you plug into your phone, there's a piece that breaks off on the end of the plug. It looks just like this. And what happens is these plugs will break and that piece jams into your phone. You can't plug any plug into the jack anymore. So, quick way of getting that out, take a threading needle. What we're gonna do with the threading needle is on the inside of the phone, this piece is going to be faced like that. So, to paint you a better picture, what you're gonna need to do is on the inside, you're gonna take the needle and then you're just gonna jam on the inside and work that out. What's likely to happen is this piece will turn sideways. After it turns sideways in the phone, take the needle, poke it out. Now, what you're gonna wanna do is make sure that your phone is set off. You don't want your phone on when you're trying to do this. You could potentially short something out and really ruin your phone, but those are the main tools that you're gonna need to get the job done. It's pretty easy, it's not that complicated. Don't put glue in your phone or anything crazy. Just work it out carefully with the needle, pry it in on the inside, pop it out, and job should be done.